when it gets all wet after passing it a bunch of times, I'm going to put Tide laundry detergent on there and get my broom out of the garage and rub it all in and then pick it up. I use my Tide. I use my Tide powder right there. And I use this broom right here. And I get it all wet after there. After some passes, I'll put that on there and I'll rub it in with this brisk brush. And then I'll pick it up again. Especially where the worst spots are. But it's not going to be perfect, but it'll be okay, just as I expected, because it's not my first rodeo. I've been doing the carpet cleaner, and none of this black stuff is coming up. So, like I said, you could see spots right here where I cleaned it up with the powdered detergent in the Siracha bottle, mixed with water, and I squirted in there and spot did it. So yeah, so I'm just going to make it heavy duty. I know it's going to set up a little bit in my, the only way to get that black stuff out of there is with this. So I'm going to spray water on there. I'm going to spray water and then rub it all in. It's going to set up inside the cleaner. The only way to get this out, I'll spray water on there. Yeah, this is how I do it. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. I'm spraying cocaine all over the place. It's the only way to get all this crud off. It's not going to come off with the regular carpet cleaner. It just won't cut it. This will do a lot better. I just can't get enough water on there after that powder on there with the water, with the little squirt bottle Siracha. So, hey, here, this is better. Look at that. Look it. Can't slip and fall. Yeah. Here you go. Need to get a lot of water in. That'd be better. Kevin? Yeah, careful when you come out here. I got the garden hose right here. I'm spraying with the garden hose. That'll be good. Call me crazy, but I'll do whatever I want. That's come on pretty. That's come on pretty good. These are some liquefied stuff too. It's not going to be perfect, like I said. You could still see that's as good as I'm getting it. But, you know, what do you expect when you don't vacuum for like over a whole year and then finally do carpet cleaning after you haven't done carpet cleaner? So I just go like this. It helps it out. That's the way I do it. Work it in. Work it. I watered the carpet with the garden hose, man. What if you're getting grass growing here? All right. That'd be pretty good. Well, I never said it's going to be perfect, but it's not too bad. I got so much dirt out. I went over and over and over it again. Boy, it looks, anyway, best we could get. Yeah, I thought I did better on that, but that place right there. Oh, the pinball spot. It is, it's much better. And that spot right down here was real bad where that little thing was right there. It's much better. Yeah, it's all better. It looks a lot better than the camera makes it look worse. Whatever. Not bad. Well, that's all, folks.